We're back with breaking updates now coming in the Sonam Wangchuk case. We've accessed the wife's plea, the details from the habeas corpus plea that has been filed in the Supreme Court, and it goes on to say that it is suppressing of democratic dissent and has also slammed the fake Pakistan-China narrative. Now, this is the plea that has been filed by Sonam Wangchuk's wife in the Supreme Court, and it has details of what she has said. Remember, previously as well, she had called the arrest of Sonam Wangchuk as nothing but witch hunt, going on to say that he is an activist and he is being targeted by the government. In fact, legal editor Harish Nair is joining us with the details of that plea. Harish, what are the details that have been mentioned? Previously, Sonam Wangchuk's wife has also gone on to say that his arrest is nothing but witch hunt. What are the details of the plea filed in the Supreme Court?
Yes, that's right, Pratibha. Ahead of the Supreme Court hearing tomorrow, the Times now has accessed Sonam Wangchuk's wife, Gitanjali Agmo's habeas corpus petition filed in the Supreme Court. In fact, remember, she has challenged the arrest and slapping of NSA. The key points let me take through. She has broken the silence on allegations of links with Pakistan and China, and she says the malafide arrest to suppress democratic dissent. It says that the arbitrary transfer of Wangchuk to Jodhpur, the harassment of students and staff of the Himalayan Institute of Alternatives, the virtual house arrest of herself, and the false propaganda linking Wangchuk to foreign countries' entities clearly demonstrate malafide state action intended to suppress democratic dissent and peaceful environmental activism, and Pak-China links floated to defame Gandhian movement. Wangchuk consistently worked for national unity. And what the petition says, it says that along with illegal detention of Wangchuk, a systematic, untruthful and false campaign has been unleashed against him and his colleagues, in particular a blasphemous narrative suggesting links with Pakistan and China is being intentionally floated in certain quarters with the sole object of defaming, maligning and discrediting a peaceful Gandhian movement for the protection of Ladakh, its fragile ecology, its mountains, glaciers, and the livelihood of its people, and that such malicious propaganda is not only baseless but dangerous as it seeks to stigmatize democratic dissent and portray environmental activism as anti-national, when in reality, Wangchuk has consistently worked for strengthening national unity, has been a supporter of Indian Army through innovations such as high-altitude shelters and grassroots mobilization in border areas. So, and another ground taken is that detention is illegal as detention copy has not been given. He says that he has been supplied with he has not been supplied, neither the wife or Wangchuk has been supplied with a copy of the detention order on the grounds of detention as mandated under Article 22(5) of the Constitution. Therefore, the arrest, even the arrest is illegal, Pratibha.
Okay, all right. So, Harish, going on to say that the detention of Sonam Wangchuk is illegal, going on to say there is a false campaign that has also been unleashed against him, calling it a blasphemous narrative suggesting links with Pakistan and China. It has been filed with the Supreme Court. Harish, thank you for joining us with those details.